Hello student. Next type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. This is just opposite of combination reaction. In combination reaction, what happened? Two or more reactants give a single product. Here, single reactant. For example, A, B is a single reactant. Single reactant gives two or more product. This is the reactant, and these are the products. The reaction in which single reactant gives two or more product are known as decomposition reaction. Take one example: calcium carbonate on heating, the symbol of heat, on heating, it will give calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Clear? So again we will discuss type of decomposition reaction. Types of decomposition reaction. First one is your thermal decomposition reaction. First one is your thermal decomposition reaction. Listen. For AB, to break AB, we require energy. If that energy is your thermal energy, the reaction is called thermal decomposition reaction. It means to decompose the reaction, if required thermal energy, that reaction is called decomposition reaction. For example, thermal decomposition reaction. For example, this example again, calcium carbonate on heating. Heating is a thermal process. On heating, it decomposes to calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. The energy required during this decomposition is your thermal energy. This is the thermal decomposition. Clear? If the energy required is known as thermal energy, or if decomposition carried out in presence of heating, that is called thermal decomposition. Another type of decomposition is there, that is known as photochemical decomposition. Photochemical decomposition. So if a decomposition reaction carried out by sunlight, that decomposition reaction is known as photochemical decomposition reaction. For example, AgBr, silver bromide. AgBr, silver bromide, when it exposed to sunlight, it broke into Ag and bromine, Br2. So balance reaction will be this one. So this reaction is carried out in presence of sunlight. It already is a decomposition reaction. If decomposition reaction carried out in presence of sunlight, that is known as photochemical decomposition reaction. One more is electrolytic decomposition reaction. So it must be a decomposition reaction. If a decomposition reaction is carried out by electricity, that decomposition reaction is known as electrolytic decomposition. For example, water. When this electrolysis in presence of electricity, what happened? H2O, water break down into hydrogen and oxygen. This is your electrolytic decomposition. Very simple. If in presence of electricity, decomposition reaction takes place, that is your electrolytic. In presence of sunlight, photochemical. By on heating or in presence of in heating, it will give thermal decomposition. Clear? This is your decomposition.